Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Hamshari Hamizan bin Muhammad Zaidi, and we are from Group 4. Okay, the reason why we are here is because to present project about time varying, which our title name is Wine Generator in this subject, which is electromagnetic field. And first of all, I want to thanks to Dr. Yisiki, which is our doctor, for teaching us in this subject. And okay, we are from group 4. Let me introduce our group member briefly. First is Daniel Aiman. Next is Fuadi Daniel. And third is Amirul Izmi. And last but not least is me, Hamshari Hamizan. And without further ado, let's see our intro first. Okay, before we start, I want to ask you something. What is wind energy or wind power? Okay, wind energy or wind power describes the process which uses wind to generate mechanical power. This mechanical power can be used for specific tasks or a generator that can convert this mechanical power into electricity power. Wind turbines turn on the moving air and power on an electric generator or that supplies an electric current. Wind turbines work like a fan but found using electricity to make wind. However, wind turbines turn the blade which spin a shaft, then connect to the generator, and lastly it will make electricity in intergenerational windmills. The shaft is connected to an induction generator inside the structure. So the wind turns the fans which provides the kinetic energy to spin the wire in the generator. Okay, now for problem statement. This reaches attempts to examine a wind turbine prototype as a power generating tools that will be used in an industry that depends on a time varying field. So we need to do a prototype which can apply to the industry out there.
Okay, next for the objective. First, to determine what is known about wind turbines based on temporal variations. Second, to determine whether wind turbine operation results is connected to the electromagnetic field procedure. And lastly is to comprehend the operating ideas that the wind turbine as an electricity producer uses.
Hello, my name is Daniel Bin Azman. Metric number CE210158. Okay, here I will explain about the methodology. Theoretically, from wine to the motor, to the generator, to the power electric converter, and then to the gearbox, and lastly to the power grid. Okay, next I will explain about the flow chart. Okay, firstly, the wine moving the motor, and then from the wine has a kinetic energy will moving the blade, and then the blade will connect to the shaft, and then the shaft will connect to the magnet, and then the magnet will be moving, and then magnetic field of the magnet induce the electromagnetic force, and then it will generate the voltage.
Okay, next for the formula related, according to Faraday's law, mentions the VEMF in any closed circuit is the same as the rate of magnetic flux connected by the circuit changes. So as we can see at the image, we shows that this is the formula for VEMF equals to negative N d over dt equals to negative N d over dt. And we can see in the circuit is the magnetic flux WB for the equations. And we also considering Lenz's law where flux in WB equals to B dot A or B multiplied by A, and next for the B equals to magnetic field strength, and for the N equals to 1 for a single loop. That's all.
Okay, hi. My name is Muhammad Amirul Izmi bin Maradi. My metric number is 210006. Okay, I will explain about prototype analysis. When the wine flows straight across the blades, it will turn into rotational motion and required to turn turbine's rotor. The effect of moving a magnetic field through an electrical coil power all electrical turbine generators. A magnetic environment is created in coil of wire when a magnetic field hits it, as stated by Faraday's law of magnetic induction, which forces to the electron to migrate. As you can see, here is our simple wind turbine model for our project. For this model, we are using a LED and DC motor to generate an electricity to turn on the LED. So now, I would like to demonstrate our model. So to twist the rotor motor fan, I'm using a hair dryer as a wind source. The LED will turn on when the motor fan is twisting, and when the motor fan stops twisting, the LED will turn off. So basically, wind turbine will operate on a simple principle where the wind turns into a potential energy to twist the fan of the rotor. So the rotor is connected to the main shaft, which are spin a generator to create electricity. So as we can see, the LED in the house will turn on and turn into potential energy to twist the fan of the rotor. So that's all for explanation for wind turbine model, and thank you. Okay, next I will explain about conclusion. Wind is the one of the most flexible and easily comparing to all energy sources, since mechanical energy derived directly from the wind can be efficiently converted to other forms of energy. Wind generators can be divided into different size and shape, as example horizontal axis and vertical axis. Focus about the usage of wind generators that converts from wind energy to electrical energy. Small turbines can be used as battery charging for auxiliary power. Related the operation of wind turbine with the Faraday's law because according to the law itself, one provides the movement, torque, and the generator do the rest. Okay, thank you.